What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Well, I entered another contest and ended up winning. This is my first piece of international mail. It's from Canada. I'll go ahead and open it up and show you what I got. This package was from Greg at Uncapped Films. So I did slice into it. Okay, let's check this out. I got a little note here. Hey Rick, congrats on the win. Enjoy the seeds and the Champ's Power Flakes. Let me know how you like them. Greg, the Champ. So here's the Power Flakes. Greg actually goes ahead and grows his own peppers, dries them, and then makes his own special blend here. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I'm going to make sure I link him down in the description below so you can check his channel out. He ends up doing sports betting, and this last one he actually had a Levathan pepper that was dried and ate that. Said it was pretty spicy. So I'm looking forward to trying to grow this one. The Reaper, I've told him he actually said that he did have some seeds, and I told him I was really looking forward to trying to grow these, so he threw some of them in there for me too. The Trinidad Viper, I'm looking forward to growing this. I'm assuming it's some kind of relative of like the ghost pepper with that bhut, the Barchuckin. That's the pepper that I grew this past year, and we had seeds from like 2008. And chocolate moruga. I hope I said that right. I told Greg I have some seeds, and I'll quick show them, and I'm going to end up sending him some seeds. So I'm not sure if Greg ever tried the red Savina before. At one point in time, this was the world's hottest pepper back in like the mid-90s. So I wanted to give him some of those to try. And then this is the ghost pepper that was, that was in my grandfather's refrigerator. And I was able to get a decent amount. So I want to send him some of this ghost pepper so he can put it up against his and kind of see which one's which one's more spicy. So thanks, Greg, for the having this competition, and thanks for picking me as a winner. So if you guys get a chance, make sure you stop by, see his channel, Uncapped Films. It's pretty neat. He has a bunch of different stuff on there, and like I said, the UFC sports betting, which is pretty cool. I want to say thank you all for watching. Have a great day.